maybe you will wonder why a deer. No? The Moche live in a landscape where we're surrounded of agricultural land, valleys, rivers. But next to these green areas, they also were surrounded for deserts. And the desert were very important part of their territory and the way that they see and try to understand the world. No? So the rituals were part of the Moche. We know at this point that they domesticate other animals, for example, camelids, no, like llamas. But the deers were very associated in the iconography for rituals. In this case, for like a hunting rituals. We thought that maybe could be associated with a passage of for the adults, for the youngest to be an adults, no, to hunting these deers, or they were a preparation before the wars, the ritual wars that also having, or the ritual battles that also having the Moche. So as we don't have writing, this is a picture of the past, so we cannot be exactly sure what was the meaning of the deer. But we know that they were very associated with these rituals of passing from the youngest and the adults, were probably, as I mentioned, associated with the training for battles, no? And as you see here, this particularly like a character here, and especially the ears, we know that they are from the elite, because the elite was the only that could have these big earrings. No? So we know that the persons or the people involved in this kind of rituals, they were from the elite. No? They weren't commoners. The deers, we have only two kinds of deers in Peru. One that we call the cola blanca, no? And this is probably the most common and continue like we continue found this kind of deers in the north coast of Peru, in the Algarrobo area. But unfortunately, most of them, they were disappeared in colonial period in the past 200 years.